So this is Meg Stallion. Oh man. Long story short, this is an accident. Crazy accident. But everybody's safe, everybody's good. About to go in here and see if we can get an estimate. Leaving this thing off at collision. I don't know. Something custom. I think it's collision correction and customs. So Caliber's collision or whatever, they were talking about they couldn't get me in today, and I'm trying to get my car fixed because I cannot be riding around looking like a bum. This is an unfortunate situation, man. The person who hit me, I love them dearly, and it's gonna be okay because we're gonna get it fixed. But yeah, these things happen. It's all a part of the game, all part of just having a car. But yeah, that's just an update on the Mustang, man. What is up, guys? It is Friday, January the 8th, 2021. And special day is Friday, first and foremost. And I'm going to pick up my Mustang. I think the last time we spoke, I was dropping it off and they was getting the estimate and blah, 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 blah. So they're fixing it, or they have fixed it today. They just painted it yesterday, so it's fresh. And our Lyft driver is pulling up like right now. So yeah, y'all stay tuned and I'll show y'all how it look now that it's done. All right, it'll be my first time seeing it, so what I see, y'all see. Like, everything authentic, everything real time, real reality. But yeah, let me just sign out. I'm at work right now. Just got to sign out right quick. Yeah, man. And I don't know. I highly doubt. I don't think they tint windows when they repair windows. I've never been in a car accident like that. But I'm gonna have to find somebody that's gonna tint my windows today. I need it done today. I'm not riding around with the fishbowl. I did that fishbowl deal with the Mustang for too long, and I ain't doing it no more. So yeah, I need to find a tint person right now. That'll be the quest after I pick up the car. So all right, my little dude's here right now, so I'm gonna hit y'all back as they turn.
Take the next left onto Holland Road.
All right, guys, we out here at the shop, man. So they were able to transfer my glass to my new door. So the door is cool, gaps is taken care of, the quarter panel is cleaned up, everything is good. This joint ain't gonna look a little bit better than normal. So good. Make sure these sensors working. Yeah, there we go. Dang, that is sick that they were able to repair this joint like that. Like, this was all screwed up, but it's like fixed. That's crazy. It's good. Body lines is good. Good. Doors is good. That's love. I ain't got to get my window tinted now. I was about to search for a person to tint my windows. Good, boy. Blessings, man. I'm glad I got my baby back. Thing probably just started in a minute. Oh yeah, shout out to Collision Corrections in Fuquay. There's the number right there if y'all need to get their number. That's them. They took care of me in quick time. I'm talking like, bought the car up here probably like, I don't even remember when I bought it up here, but it only took them like a week to get parts. They took the car as soon as the day I bought it up here. They took the car. Y'all seen it? But yeah, back my baby. They vacuumed it for me. Like, washed it. I can still smell fresh paint. So good though. I'm just happy to be back in the whip, man. Let's see if the door closing. How the door closing. Oh yeah, back in there. Well, it's good to have my car back, man. Let me know what y'all think, man. How y'all think the car look? I think it looks good. It's kind of hard to see in the rain, but for the most part, she back way better than she looked. If y'all seen her earlier in the video, man, she was out of there. But collision corrections and customs, they got me right, man. Shout out to Jennifer. Shout out to all the guys that took care of my Mustang, man. They really did a good job. I'm satisfied. And just thank you guys. Smash the like button, drop a comment what y'all think, man. If y'all know like somebody who probably could do it better, if you see any imperfections or anything, just drop it in the comments, man. You got a little challenger right there you trying to show up. But yeah, this pretty much sums up the vlog, man. This is a good Friday. It seemed like on Friday good stuff always happened to me, man. But I'm about to close out the video. It is cold out here. It's definitely winter. But yeah, y'all have a good Friday, man. Do something good and peace. Before I go, like, comment, subscribe. I think I said it earlier, but I'm gonna say it again. Like, comment, subscribe, man. We going up. Got a giveaway coming at 500 subs. We almost just 30 more subs, I think, or maybe 31. Regardless, we got a big giveaway coming out, man. As soon as I get more subs, we up. Appreciate everybody who's been rocking with me, man. Everybody's been checking out the Monte Carlo build. We got something special coming for the Mustang. I'm not done with the Mustang. I thought I was gonna get some content with the window tint, but they was able to keep my old windows, so we good. So that's great. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Have a good Friday. I'm out this time for real.